Let's be real. Getting visible online is now harder than ever. How many times have you Googled something and you found the answer without even clicking on any site? That's why visibility in 2026 is going to be completely different to what we've been doing in the past years. Hi, I'm Isabel Delgado, International Marketing Manager at Benchmark Email, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to stay visible in 2026, no matter how much the internet changes. AI search results now give people answers without having to access your website. Search engines are becoming more like content engines. And with millions of AI-generated content, such as blogs, videos, etc., your business content is navigating in a world full of noise. According to SparkToro, less than 35% of Google searches lead to a website click. That means that your SEO can be working perfectly, but still not bringing any visitor into your website. The rules of visibility have changed completely. Welcome to the zero-click era. People now get answers directly from Google, YouTube, TikTok, without having to visit a website. Visibility used to mean ranking high in Google search results, and now it means being present everywhere your audience is. So, let's address the question, how to stay visible in 2026? So the first thing you have to do is to stop chasing clicks and start building what we wanted to call a visibility ecosystem. This is about owning your own audience, showing up consistently, and making every channel work together for the same goal. Let's break that system down. Let's talk about SEO and zero-click content. Obviously, SEO optimization is still essential. But the goal now is to give value to the user right in that post, in that snippet, or in the caption of a post, for example. You have to be the answer. There's no clickbait anymore. For example, imagine a LinkedIn post in which you explain some topic your audience is interested in. You don't have to drive them to your website. You just have to let them know the answer in that exact same post. The idea here is to be visible. Video and YouTube is another very important part of this ecosystem. So video is right now the #1 discovery channel for small businesses around the world. It lets people hear your voice, see your face, and understand your expertise. A 1-minute video can probably reach people that you will never reach with only SEO. Another very important part of this ecosystem is collaborations. Collaborations between brands and influencers, for example. Partnering with other businesses or other creators is such a good way to find more visibility in 2026. For example, you can co-host a live session with another business, or you can do a podcast and invite someone that can bring value to your audience. Or maybe exchange a newsletter, sponsor a newsletter, collaborate with a LinkedIn content creator. There are a lot of ways to do collaborations to increase your visibility. The most important thing is to find people and businesses who match your same target. And finally, of course, email, the channel that can tie everything together. Email is visibility that you already own. Unless SEO or video or another type of content, your email list belongs to you. Email is a direct channel. No algorithm can influence your visibility here. When someone subscribes to your list and wants to receive your emails, it's like they're saying, hey, I want to know more about you. I want to know more about your business. An email does way more than only keeping you visible. It also makes you feel personal for your audience. You can welcome new subscribers, you can share tips with them, you can promote your events, you can show your products. It's the best channel to stay visible all year long. And we have facts that support this channel. Email marketing is one of the best channels in terms of return of investment. We're talking about $36 for each $1 you invest in email marketing. But it's not only that. It's what I've said. Email is the channel that you own, and it's your always on channel. It will keep working, even if search drops, organic reach drops, your social post reach drops. If an algorithm changes, your list is your major difference compared to your competitors. So let's make this practical. I'm going to explain a little bit more about how you can use email marketing specifically to stay visible next year in 2026. And let me tell you, it's not as hard as you may think it is. One big thing you can do for staying visible with email marketing is repurposing the content that you already have and that you already know that works. For example, turn your blog post into a newsletter. Every idea should be able to travel across different channels. Another good thing that you can do to keep your visibility high next year is to keep adding people to your email lists. You don't have to be working only with the people that you already have in your list. There are a lot of opportunities in which you can start increasing your list with more subscribers. You can, for example, add a sign-up form in your website, in the checkout page of your e-commerce, or even in a social post. Every new subscriber is more visibility for your business. In email marketing, one thing that it is really important is that you have stay consistent. Your tone, your visuals, everything should be aligned within all different channels, including emails. And also, it's very important that you are always on with email marketing if you want your visibility to really matter. You have to send frequently to your audience so that they can remember your brand, because consistency can build recognition, and recognition can build trust, which is one of the most important things for your audience to decide if they want to move forward with your products or your services. Obviously, another very important thing is to measure and learn. Learn from your campaigns, learn from which content has performed better in your newsletters. It's very important to track all your results so that you can keep improving for the future. And here we're not telling you to just send emails because you have to. You have to make sure that you are sending value to your subscribers. If you send them helpful and valuable content, that will earn attention from your audience. If your emails teach, inspire, or solve one of their problems, people will love to keep seeing you in their inbox. If you build your email marketing ecosystem next year, taking all of this into account, you repurpose your content, you collect new emails, you are consistent, and you measure and learn, you will be able to still be visible in your audience mind. Obviously, as I said, this process is not that complicated, I can assure you. That's exactly why we have redesigned our software email platform, Benchmark Email, to provide you with a simple way of creating and sending emails to connect with your audience, without having to have advanced knowledge or spending a lot of time learning how to use very complicated features. We built Benchmark for busy marketers. You will have features such as a drag and drop builder, AI to help you with text or images, real-time analytics, in a super easy way to manage your contacts. It's just everything you need to stay visible next year in just one place. Let's do a quick recap of everything that we've talked about that can help you stay visible in 2026. You have to build your own visibility ecosystem and be prepared for all the changes that are coming in terms of online visibility. You have to make sure you still attract people to your business, but you don't have to rely only on Google searches. You use SEO for sure, but you have to add video content, you have to add collaborations, everything that can help you get in front of your target audience. You will need to engage with that audience. If they read about you, or if they see your brand, that's not enough. You need to still engage with them without depending on them visiting your website. Keep showing where they are. Engage in conversations on social media. Send emails that can give you feedback also from your audience. You have to be approachable. Obviously, We have to try and retain as many people as we can into our audience. That's why you can also use email to build loyalty with your audience. If you get someone to move from a completely unknown people to a subscriber, that's a huge step in terms of loyalty. So you have to make sure you're working to retain as many people as you can. So this is a wrap up of your checklist to keep your visibility high next year. Now it's your turn to move forward and start applying all this knowledge into your business. And we at Benchmark Email will be more than happy to welcome you and be the tool that you're using for implementing your email marketing strategy and visibility strategy in 2026. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have learned something about visibility in this new AI era, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you in Benchmark Email.